Mastering Clarity and Coherence in Essay Editing. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into the art of essay editing, focusing on the pivotal aspects of clarity and coherence. By mastering these skills, not only will your essays stand out, but you'll also ensure your ideas are communicated seamlessly and effectively. Let's get started. Clarity is all about making your writing crystal clear. If a reader has to reread sentences to understand your point, then it's a sign that the writing may lack clarity. Tips for achieving clarity. 1. Use simple words. Don't use a complicated word when a simpler one will do. This doesn't mean you should avoid vocabulary, but ensure it fits naturally. 2. Short sentences. Longer sentences are more prone to confusion. Aim for concise expressions. 3. Avoid jargon. Unless it's necessary for the topic, avoid jargon or overly technical language. Coherence is about the flow of your essay. Every idea should connect logically to the previous one and the subsequent one, creating a flowing narrative. Strategies to improve coherence. 1. Transitions. Words like, however, therefore, and meanwhile can help bridge ideas together. 2. Topic sentences. Begin each paragraph with a sentence that summarizes the main idea. This guides the reader through your essay. 3. Consistent tense and point of view. Stick to one tense and one point of view throughout your essay to avoid confusing your reader. Before diving into your essay, sketch out a rough outline. Outlines help in 1. Structuring your thoughts. This ensures that you address all the points in a logical order. 2. Spotting gaps in coherence. It's easier to see where transitions are needed when you look at an outline. Editing for clarity and coherence, like any skill, improves with practice. 1. Peer reviews. Exchange essays with a friend. Fresh eyes can spot issues you might have overlooked. 2. Reading aloud. Sometimes, hearing the essay can help you catch awkward phrasings or logical gaps. And there you have it. By focusing on clarity and coherence in your editing process, you're on your way to crafting compelling, effective essays. Remember, the goal is to communicate your ideas as clearly and seamlessly as possible. Happy editing, and we hope this video has been of great value to you.